Hello, good morning. Today it's my turn to make our breakfast, so come here with me. Our kitchen is so messy from last night because we was so tired from cleaning and things, and now we have messy place. So I'm going to do is to make for our breakfast sunny side up egg and a hot dog, but of course like
Struggle's real.
yeah.
Hindi ka ba lumuon?
So diri ata magsugod. Wa biya ni sa ko wa sa bukid.
May lahan dyan ka na tigluto kay wala ka balo.
It's in another one. Abi man ako ni og kuan ni touchscreen. Egg, of course. We need because we are dato, we have much money. We use. Uy, where's our olive oil?
Few moments later.
Oh my God! Mulupad na ni ako ang karahay kay Wapay olive.
Gang, tuwa dito.
Ayaw na akong drink olive oil. Uy, wala akong olive oil eh. Uy, basig na.
Wow, asya ka ilang olive oil.
Ay, olive oil yan. Ay, color green, magulang olive oil. Yellow, magud siya. Barato kung rani ba? Ay, poor. So, since our pan is dato gamay, we don't need so much olive oil. Just a bit. We just only little, very gamay kay pero healthy man yung olive oil, so it's okay na kung daghan yung ibutang. Pero since ang atong pan sticky, may dato na tagamay,
Sticky.
sticky pan.
Non-stick.
Non-sticky pan. Sa pariha raman na oils. Pariha raman na basta na something sticky. Basta ang pan sticky something. So we need a little fire.
That's not fire.
Let's burn the house to fire. Pero let's see how will my egg doing. While waiting to heat that, mag-arrange na ko a plate. This is our work here in Europe also. To serve the kagwata. So, it's like this. Since di man kay tadato, dira kay inoy na. So we need this. I don't think so, but we're going to make sandwich or something. So they might need it, so I just put that. Hilas para hilas lang yun. Hilas lang. Like knife. Kaya pobre man ka kanila na tissue. Bakit tipid sa COVID, way trabaho. Abi ninyo na may trabaho. Dere, wa may trabaho. May mulihok, way kwarta. Way pangbayad sa apartment. So we fold like this so it looks a little nicer than usual. Ambot, uy, sa Pinas dati, wala man, di man iuso. Wala man tay tissue, pero pag abot na mo diri ni social man bigaw may. Na naman pa tissue. Dati left and right sip all mapay tissue kay pero diri tissue kaon social pero dagan kwarta. Pagtas og ilong. Ang ilong bisngan.
Daw, daw. No? Sapa. Daw, zoom.
This one is warm. So let me see. It's warm. May bawaan na to kung mutingog ang itlog pagbutang warm na. Pag dili, maghuwat na mo. Oh my God! Before in Philippines, my mother always cooked me food, but here I need to learn to cook my own food. So, what you can say to the people who said
So
like,
say thank you to your mama.
thank you, Mama, for letting me go here, for not teaching me cooking, okay? And to the people who said that I cannot make it here, thank you. You're my inspiration. Inspiration? Inspiration. Nabuak noon. Pero that's my love from them.
Wala na, dikit na.
Di ra na tungaon ko ra na. Di ra magkuan. Di ra magkuon. Medium rare or rare or unsay tawag?
Malasado.
Malasado. That medium rare or rare? Or raw? Negra pimienta. It's pepper. And a little bit salt. And romero. Romero. Sprinkle a bit with love. Okay. It's my specialty. I don't like malasado. Okay, I make you medium rare. Well done cook. Magbuot, Bisaya ta. We finish this. We wait for that. We throw our basura so that it's all clean. And we need to fix these things. Kasi nasunog pero di pa na di na ta magbuon. Di na masunog ang kuan kay mahal man na gamay ato ang karahay. Hilas. Pero tag shitty ra jud ay na ang karahay. Masugas na kay pwede sa mapalaya sa atong apartment. Okay. It looks good. Looks good, no? See? Guwapa. Pareha ka guwapa na to. Guwapa, no? Happy in all angle. We need to baliktad. This one is fine. See? Pwede na ba kung magminyog kaduha? Kabalo ko malutog itlog. Hi guys! Welcome back to Sensor.
Pwede na kapulilo ikalimaon.
Pwede ba katulo. Pagkabalo na kumulong ang kanon, pwede na katulo magminyo.
Ayaw na isa. Pag after divorce, ayaw isa. Duha dahil
Duha dahil dito kung sa'yo
ayaw na
guys.
isa.
Kasi mamatay pa lang tag sa'yo. Is this fine or more?
That's fine.
That's fine. It looks beautiful. It looks Oh my God!
Oh my god!
Oh my. Now we cook the hot dog. I want to bite it, but I don't want to bite because you know I don't have money to fix my teeth. It's so expensive here. Teeth? Teeth or teeth? Teeth or teeth? Just sit, I'll do it. No problem. It's my time to serve you now. This is our hot dog. Small but butterable. Pag masod niyo mo sa imong benda, makaingon di kag lame with cheesy hot dog. Ning ani ta diri dapat multitasking, make while luto, hugas, kay why mo buhat, wa tay mama diri walay mo atiman sa inyo. Kung nagplano mo ani, pag mo plano mo ani diri be prepared. Kay ako na prepare. Pag anhin ako diri abi na ako travel lang. Like parehanan sa picture, like everything is so easy.
But you didn't know anything, like I don't know how to cook even rice. Like my first cook rice in my house before was totally burned and I was so scared, like what if they're gonna send me home back in Philippines? Because everything of the pot are so black from the cook. And I was thinking what I'm gonna do and I don't know how to use the chemicals for cleaning before here in Europe because it's really different from our cleaning things in Philippines. But wa ni bawaan sa mga dato, wa sila kapalo. Ay pagkahuman nato mas nahinglo pag gamay ang kaldero. Oh, that's so chila. You make it so clean. Wa sila kapalo yuta kada yung sekreto. Anak ako the soap are so good pero isok nila diri aw di jud makakuha. Igo ra bula. Lumsan ra bula pero why effect.
So, now I think our hotdog is luto. I'm not sure. Luto na ni. Kamoy check beef. Islito na to kung magawas na ang iyang cheese sa tumoy. Meaning naluto na kay na ni-melt naman ang cheese. Ato na check beef. I think luto na siya. Let me try. Napapaaka. I think luto na siya. So, Master Chef. This one is mine. That's so well done. This is Mian. This is May. We make toast bread with French baguette. Dako siya, alam mo. Tell you. Lami siya. Here in Europe, na sila pangkat of bread. Gabas. Kita mo ani na ay edge. Na gagmay or siya gabas. Nag-promote ko pero just want to tell you guys. Pero IKEA! Soon in Philippines, IKEA. This is very affordable and we always use this. So barato and good quality. IKEA. See? Hait. Hait pa sa imong gugma. Goodbye, Earth. The secret to toast your bread, a little bit olive oil again, just a bit. Just to moist the pan. I mean, basa-basaon na nato atong pan. Gamay. Kay, since na naman tayo French baguette, dako siya og lamitan. Perfect. Perfect combination. So, I'm not sure how many minutes, but we will see and check how it will goes. Kani kay May, dako-dako iya pero kami tsaka pilaw French baguette. We have also yogurt. Dato may nami yogurt sa breakfast. Different flavor. They can get their plate for the how do you call this? Cereal. This is cereals. Like very healthy cereals. Pa-healthy sila. Look, there's like crispy banana, coconut, grapes. So we wash. Some breakfast. We're rich. Natay cake gamay. This cake, kumtay ni ani na variety atong na Pinas. Uy, Pinas, pandesal na jud ato. Wa jud tay kapilian. Hindi ka mukaon, bala ka. Wa pay pandesal. Ato una, wa pay pandesal. Kung way kwarta, ang kaunon ra bahaw, dukot. Tapos usok yung kape. Check na to atong bread. No, a little bit more. I will make them fresh juice.
Hanapin mo ako, challenge. Oh my God. What's this one? Taga-dali ka, day? Uy, oh my God. Ako kabaw asan. Tapos ang lawas. Nakon siya sa lawas. Kasi nang sa lawas. What the fuck? It's here.
Yeah. Look. You put here. This is how it works. And we have a lot of this. We check this. Kasi kapagod na ni. Fresh pick from sponsored by Ate Jane from Soyer with Don. Okay. Para iwas COVID. Orange juice, iwas COVID. We need vitamin C and D. So later we go out. There's no wait. when is that late. We go up. Pero warag na pagod na ako. My God. Kaon magitagdugot. Ang sa dahil mo, kaon gitagdugot na kanon tambal sa... What the fuck? Kaon tagdugot. Tambal sa kabuhi. Sa pas mo, kabuhi pa yan. Mayroon na. Okay, I think this is fine. No? I think this is fine. What do you think? Comment down below if it's fine, the bread. I think it's okay. I think it's okay because if not, it will burn everything. So, where is my hair? Ah. This will be mine. So, we need to on this. Ay, automatic di ay siya. There's no look. Ay! No.
Again.
Automatic. Abi na kung on. So, you just press like this and squeeze. Limpyo ra ba ko ang kuko? Nahunawi ko last week ko. Abi na kung sanay na ko anong mga ning-aning, pero hawi siya. Hawi. Ako na. Breakfast is ready. We don't need that. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you like the video, then click the button for alarm. Here. Yeah, alarm.